we're going to be learning about tree diagrams. Your homework is going to be all. I gave you 2 sheets here. Okay, 2 sheets. Again, the copy machines don't have staples, so big deal. No big deal. Okay. Now, tree diagrams is like probability. So I have here my bag of mazapans. I know. And I'm going to put a glue stick in there. And my little rat. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me show it on the video. Here's my bag full of stuff. Okay, probability. How many items are in the bag? 5. What is the probability that when I go in here, I pick out a glue stick?
1 out of 5.
1 out of 5, because there's a total of 5. Good. Yeah. What's the probability that I'll reach in here and choose a mazapan?
3 out of 5. 1 or 3 out of 5.
3 out of 5, because there's 3. There's 3 in here, right? So that's probability. Now, with a tree diagram, it's like probability, but more extensive. For example, what's the probability that I'll choose a mazapan first and then a glue stick second?
4 out of 5.
Okay, so that's what we're going to learn today, like the combinations. Not just simple, hey, how many mazapans are there? Oh, there's 3. 3 out of 5. It's a little different. So, we're all going to go to Del Taco.
Yeah. I'm the rat? Yeah. I'm the rat.
Okay, sure.
Let's just go to those taco stands in the middle.
Okay, Dylan, we're going to continue without making comments. Thank you. Okay. So at Del Taco, you have a choice of a crunchy taco and a soft taco.
Crunchy.
Right? How many of you are crunchy tacos? People?
Nah.
How many of you are soft tacos? Okay, Miss J, Miss Vanessa did not vote, so we'll do it again. Crunchy taco people? Soft taco people? Miss J, what's your choice?
I don't like Del Taco.
Well, I mean, it's just a pretend. It's just a pretend situation. I don't know the last time I went to Del Taco. It's just a pretend. So, in general, from whatever establishment or home cook meal, would you like a crunchy taco or a soft taco?
Crunchy.
Yay, thank you. Thank you for participating. All right. Now, we show up to this restaurant. And we have 3 choices of protein. You can choose beef, chicken, or fish. Okay. Okay.
Beef or fish? What?
So, are there different tacos to order?
Yes.
Does anybody know? Take a wild guess. By looking at your tree diagram, how many different combinations are there?
3.
Not 3.
6. Yeah, because miss, how you can mix them together, right?
No.
I can have.
Yes, you can mix them
Beef
together.
crunchy.
I can have a
Crunchy beef.
Fish.
Beef and chicken.
crunchy beef. I can have
3, right?
a crunchy chicken.
Soft chicken.
I can have a crunchy fish, right? So, crunchy beef, crunchy chicken, crunchy fish. Those are my 3 for crunchy. Then I can also have a soft beef, a soft chicken,
Crunchy chicken.
or a soft fish. Yes. Remember, if I'm writing, it's for you, even though it's really sloppy. But it's for you, not for me. So, how many different combinations could I have? 6. These are the 6 different tacos. I can go to this taco place every day for 6 days straight and get something different. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And Sunday, I'm over tacos. No more tacos. Okay. So, these are called outcomes. How many different outcomes are there? 6. So there are 6 outcomes. I'm going to highlight one.
Soft beef.
What did I just highlight? Crunchy fish taco, whatever. So I want to know write this down. What's the probability that I will have a crunchy? Why do I keep putting an H? Just realized that.
I put an H on.
Sorry. Probability of a crunchy fish taco.
1 out of 6.
1 out of 6.
Good job, Alex.
Told
Is
you.
that a C or an L?
It's crunchy. That's my H in there.
No. In the beginning, this is PC for PL.
I wrote an H
That's
there.
that's
Crunchy beef.
No, miss.
Like the
No.
pink writing.
The pink ring is a P for
Parentheses.
no, a P for probability.
An L.
Parentheses.
Told you.
Mistake.
Oh.
Crunchy fish.
Oh.
Woo!
So smart.
Are we okay?
Mistake.
Oh, make sure you add it, I guess. So the probability of a crunchy fish is 1 out of 6 because there's one of them. Okay, let's read the question right here. Tiffany, let's read. What is the probability of getting a crunchy chicken
1 out of 6.
taco? 1 out of 6.
Told you.
Are we okay?
Yeah.
Because there's only one time that it's crunchy chicken.
Didn't we do this once?
You might have done it on Alex, actually. You might have. Wow, that was really hot. Okay, I have another question for this. I'm going to write it up here. What's the probability that I'm going to get a beef taco? What's the probability that I'm going to get a beef?
2 out of 6.
2 out of
Oh,
6.
2 out of 6.
Why is it all of a sudden 2?
Because
Because
you
you
just
just-
he
Because
didn't
you-
mention the exact taco.
I didn't exactly mention what kind of tortilla, right?
That tortilla.
So, beef, I'm okay with a crunchy beef, and I'm okay with a soft beef. So the probability of a beef, what fraction is it?
2 out of 6.
2 out of 6. Okay, one last question. I lied. One last question. What's the probability of getting a soft taco, Oscar?
6.
Aw.
3 out of 6.
3 out of 6.
Embarrassing.
Good. Very good. Have I seen this on the map?
Yes.
Yes. 1 question, 2 questions, 3, 4 questions.
They're
We
so
just answered 4
easy.
questions.
What are gonna be on the tacos?
Italian.
I don't think Del Taco gives us cilantro. Do they?
Yeah.
I think they do.
Did you?
I don't like Del Taco.
I don't think Taco Bell, but cilantro.
All right.
I don't like Taco Bell. Always have Taco Bell.
I've
I
never
like
eaten
Taco Bell, not Del Taco.
I'd rather just eat tacos at my house.
Or street.
There you go.
Or street tacos.
All right.
Tijuana street tacos.
Okay, I'm going to go out of order. I learned last period. We're going to skip this one for now. We're going to do a pretty easy one right here. Juliana, we shouldn't be on our iPads. All right, so turn the page where it says practice. Draw a tree diagram. So I think it's in the back of the first page.
A tree.
All right. It says, you go to the snack bar to buy a bagel and a drink for lunch. You can choose from a plain bagel, a blueberry bagel, or a raisin bagel.
Blueberry. I'm gonna have to go with
Regular.
Okay.
Mm,
The
a bagel?
choices for a drink include water or
Water.
a sports drink.
Water.
How many different lunches would be made with these choices?
5.
So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a tree diagram, Lupita. So Mel, we're watching and we're doing. We start off with our first set of branches, Mel. So our first set of branches is the first thing they told us. What is the first thing they told us?
If you wanted a actually, never mind.
So the bagels, right? So we have one branch is plain.
What, Alex?
The second branch, Alex, is blueberry. So we're writing this down. If I look up, you should still be writing. Mel, let's go. And the third branch is raisin.
Oh,
Like raisin.
Okay? It's okay. Keep your commentary.
yes, Alex. Thank you.
Okay. So, what can I get with the plain bagel? What are my other choices?
Oh wait.
Water or energy drink. So I'm going to branch off from plain into water. And then what is my second choice? Sports drinks. So I'm going to write SP for sports drink. Can I order a blueberry? Yes. What are my options for blueberry?
water and sports drinks.
And then my raisin would also have water with a sports drink. Okay?
I drew a P instead of a B.
Me too. So these are all different combinations, right? Have you guys ever been to like the yogurt land?
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah.
Okay, never been. But I heard,
What, Tutti Frutti?
yeah, like those places.
Oh yeah, they're so good.
I love
Or
Tutti
like,
Frutti.
are there different combinations that you can make?
Yes,
Yes.
a lot.
A
Yeah.
lot.
A
Okay, a bunch. Can you even do the math?
Yeah.
You
Yes.
will after this
You
period.
can mix chocolate, gummy worms, fruit, everything.
Right. So
That's
can
so
I go into those yogurt places
Shut up about that.
and like get a different combination every day?
Yeah.
Yeah, and never repeat, right? At least for a very long time. So
Oh,
after
my.
today, you can go into that store and do some math with that. Okay, so here, how many different outcomes are there? How many different combinations of bagels and drinks are there?
10.
Okay, so in order to find outcomes, okay, hey, I appreciate the somewhat.
It's 12.
Okay, your outcomes are at the end. Your outcomes are at the end. You don't count basically the middle part. The middle part's like getting there. The end results
6.
are at the end.
No, Alex, it's 12.
Awesome.
1. What is this combo? Water with plain.
I'm playing.
What is this combo?
A sports drink with a plain bagel.
Is that different than the one we just said? So that's 2 different combinations. What's this one?
I told you, Alex.
So that's 3, Alex.
Yes.
What's this combination?
Blueberry and sports.
That's 4 different combinations. Dylan, you can grab it. What's this one?
A water with a raisin bagel.
Okay, and then?
A sports drink with a raisin bagel.
Good. Are all of those different combinations?
Yes.
Yes.
So how many total different combinations are there?
12.
12.
How many little check marks did I do?
6.
6. So we don't count these. We count the ends. All the way at the end, that's a different combination. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here there are 6 outcomes.
Sorry.
Why do we care about figuring out outcomes? Because that is your denominator. Your outcomes are your denominators.
Good morning, Scott. Staff, this is for you.
Okay, so 6 outcomes. That's answering the question. How many different lunches could be made with these choices? 6 different lunches. That would be the answer to this question. If you have it on the map or the SBAC, that would be the answer. That's it. But I'm going to ask you more.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I'm going to ask you, what's the probability of choosing something that has water?
3.
3 out of 6. 3 out of 6.
3 out of 6. We got to write it as a fraction. So we write it down. 3 out of 6. What's the probability of choosing a raisin?
1 out of 6.
Nope.
No, sorry, man, sorry.
1 out of 3. 8.
Okay.
1 out of 3.
1 out of 3 because there's
1 out of 3.
there's only
It's
3
not
different
drinks.
bagels.
Okay.
1 out of
So-
3. You get it.
Do we look here?
Yes.
Well, we can start there. Raisin. Is that all I count?
Yeah.
No.
No.
No?
Because it's raisin
no.
with what?
Blueberry.
1 out of 12.
Water.
Oh.
Then it's raisin with sports drinks. How many ends do I have?
3.
2.
2.
This is a path, like a freeway. This is a freeway that then branches this
1
way.
out of
So it would be 2 out of 6.
Knew it.
2 out of 6. I want to know, what's the probability
Where
of
are you?
choosing a plain bagel with
Here we do
water?
that room
What's the
44.
probability of
6.
plain bagel with water? Go.
2 out of 6.
Wrong, Alex, just wrong.
Oscar,
Pipe down, pipsqueak.
What?
please.
Yeah.
Shut your pipe.
Hey guys.
Alright, sorry. So, plain water. How many plain water? Oh, he's stretching. Julio, how many plain water?
3 out of
Where is a plain water? Julio, do you have an answer?
The top.
No? Yes? No? Yeah, 1 out of 6. So, plain, I'm here, highlighting this. Water. Is there anywhere else I can do plain with water?
No.
No. So, the probability of plain with water would be 1 out of 6. Because it's just right here, plain water. Okay? Plain water, that's 1 out of 6. Any questions?
No.
Okay. So when I was a kid, I was a young child.
No.
When I was a young child, I said, Mom, I have nothing to wear to school. And she said, you have a lot of things to wear. But Mom, I don't want to repeat my outfit. You have a lot of different clothes. Change it up. And I'm like, no. And she's like, you have like 20 different outfits. I'm like, what do you mean? I only have 3 shirts, 2 pants, and 2 shoes. Well, she's like, you can combine it. If you have 3 shirts and 2 pants, you can mix and match. And I said, fine.
And then the shoes you can mix and match the shoes also.
Right. So it's her fault that I need multiple shoes. No, just kidding. So when you get ready to get dressed for school, you open your closet to find that you have the following choices: a red shirt, a blue shirt, a white shirt, jeans or sweatpants, tennis shoes or sandals. Let's say Crocs. No, we do Crocs now. How many different outfits could be made with these choices?
Like I'm 16.
So, we're going to draw a tree diagram. So, what do we start with? What information do they give us first?
Blue and white t-shirts.
All right, write that down, Mel. Very good. Write that down. Well, I changed my attendance.
The shirt.
So, it would be red, okay. So what's my second choice that they gave me?
Blue. Oh.
Jeans and sweatpants. So off of this, how many branches should I do?
2.
2. So go ahead and do 2. Off the blue, 2 branches. Off the white, 2 branches. 1 branch for jeans and 1 branch for sweatpants. Do it before I do it. I need a water break.
It's 2 open. Can we just put what's inside sweatpants?
Yeah, and you can even use S if you want to abbreviate it.
Well, that's a lot of writing.
Yep. So jeans, sweatpants, jeans, sweatpants, jeans, sweatpants. Then what's my last choice?
Crocs or
Crocs or
shoes?
tennis shoes.
Crocs or tennis shoes?
Thank you.
I said tennis shoes.
Yes, I am. My mom told me I was something.
So much options.
Yep. That's why Mom says you have plenty of clothes, even though you have 3 shirts, 2 pants, and 2 shoes. You have all of these options. That's why my mom said I had plenty of clothes.
More than enough.
Miss, am I right? They don't fit.
I mean, try your best to make it fit.
Uh-oh.
On the map, I give you endless amounts of scratch paper. So, how much you want to spread out, do it. How many total outcomes are there? So, how many end branches are there?
3. 4.
All these at the ends, all the ends of the branches.
17.
There's a lot.
Yeah, there's like 15, 16,
14.
So, this is 2 right there. 2 right there. So keep counting.
4, 6,
18.
14, 18.
18.
Yes, miss.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's it. Do I count these? No, they're part of it. So there are 12 outcomes. I'm not sure where you're counting the extra ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 outcomes. 12 outcomes.
That's a lot.
Yeah, so when your mom says you have 12 different outfits, there it is. 12 different outfits.
That could last you 2 weeks.
Totally. All right, so I wanted to ask, what's the probability of wearing a blue shirt?
1 out of 12.
No.
No, that was super wrong.
How many times do you see blue, Tiffany? So let's highlight.
Oh, 3 out of 6. I remember this.
6.
Okay.
6.
Blue shirt with jeans and tennis shoes. Blue shirt with jeans and sandals.
So it's
So that's 2 right there, right?
4 out of 12.
I can wear a blue shirt with sweatpants and tennis shoes. I can wear a blue shirt with sweatpants and sandals.
Yeah, so it's 4 out of 12.
So 4 out of 12. Again, we can highlight blue jeans top, blue jeans sweatpants, blue jeans sweat tennies, blue jeans sweat sandals. 4 out of 12. So there's how many times did I highlight it at the end? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What's the probability of wearing sandals?
1. Wait, no, 3 out of 12.
How many times do you see sandals there? How many times do you see sandals?
4 out of 12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 out of 12.
I mean, I didn't highlight everything, but it would just be these paths, these blue paths. 6 out of 12. All the ends would be sandals. So they can ask you all of this, Mel. Why are we looking at the iPad? Okay. All right. Now, have we ordered anything from Domino's, Pizza Hut, Papa John's?
Yeah, I have the points.
You have the points. Good. How many different combinations of pizzas can we make?
A lot.
Subway.
A lot. Or even Subway.
Oh yeah, Subway.
How many different
Sandwiches.
sandwiches can you make, right?
A lot. Over a 50.
A lot, right? So,
Subway.
yeah, exactly.
Any food that makes you customize your own food.
Correct.
McDonald's.
Okay, let's go. Let's go back to the first page because I think you're ready to now do a hard one.
I got you. No, sorry, Alex. I got you.
What?
Kind of sleepy.
Same.
Whatever.
Ooh, that's so tough.
Okay. Ready? Okay. An Italian restaurant sells small, medium, and large pizzas. Makes sense. You can choose from pan or hand crust.
What is
Pan is like, I think, the thicker one, like a deep pan.
Those are good.
Oh, yeah, huh?
Okay. There are 3 toppings to choose from: pepperoni, sausage, and extra cheese. Draw a tree diagram to find the probability of ordering a medium pan pepperoni pizza. So we're going to draw a tree diagram. What's the first thing they give us? What are the first options?
Small, medium, or large pizza.
Small, medium, large.
Small, medium, large. Good. Water break.
So small.
Okay, what comes after small, medium, large? What other information did they give us
Sausage.
before that?
Hand tossed or pan?
Hand or pan. So off the small, I can have a pan or a
Hand toss.
hand toss.
Chris, I have a question.
Can I order the same thing for a medium?
Yes.
Pan. Okay, what's our last choice?
What toppings? No,
Toppings. How many toppings did they give us?
3.
So each of these
Get 3.
need 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Pepperoni,
1, 2.
sausage, and extra cheese, right?
Yep.
I could have just done that with my time. You did.
Oh, Gio. Do your homework.
Salt, like
Kids these
Whoa.
days, man, we have no taste buds.
No, it should
like bacon. I like I like pineapple on pizza.
Pineapple.
pepperoni sauce.
All right, question?
Do you like pineapple on pizza?
No, because I'm teaching.
Chicken.
Oh.
And I'm teaching till the bell rings. So today is no restroom day. All right. Ready? Okay. So, let's see if we get it right this time. Oh my god, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my god. Oh. How many outcomes are there? You have to count all the ends, not the middle parts.
18.
All the ends.
18. 3, 6, 8, 9, 18, 12, 15, 18,
17.
Oh my god, I had to ruin
I'm
it.
25.
I'm joking. It's 18.
Yes. So,
25.
25.
outcomes
Go, go.
is, okay, thank you, Oscar. Outcomes, Dylan, good job, is 18. Those are all the ends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all to the end. Now, the question is, draw a tree diagram to find the probability of ordering a medium pan pepperoni. So how many times do we see medium pan pepperoni?
1.
Yeah, so you can follow the tree diagram. So we start with medium. So we start here, medium. Then I go to pan. Then I go to pepperoni.
1.
How many times can I highlight that? Just one time. So our answer to this would be 1, 18. Because your outcomes is 18. All right. Here's another question for us. What's the probability that I order a small pizza?
What's about
How many times do we have a combination of a small? So if our pencils are on our desk, I don't know if we're actually working.
6.
Let me think.
8.
6.
8 out of 18.
Okay, so count your smalls. Go to small. Put your finger on small.
Yep.
Let's underline it with our pencil. Small. Then I go where?
The pack.
Then I go to pan. And then what do I go?
Sausage pepperoni.
So pepperoni, that would be 1, right? That would be one path. The small pan pepperoni, that counts as 1. Then I go small pan sausage, then small pan cheese, then small hand toss pep, sauce, cheese,
Sauce.
6.
sausage. So how many total are there? 6. So it would be 6 out of 18.
That's so smart.
Miss, I feel like pepperoni's kind of an overrated topping.
6.
No, it's just classic.
It's overrated.
Plus mid.
That is true.
Okay, are we good?
Yes, miss.
Classic.
Okay, so what if, let's turn to the this page that has the number 3 on it and the word problems.
Okay, Yana? No.
What are denim? Oh, they're just
All right. Fundamental counting principle to find the total outcome. So, if all they want to know is how many total outcomes there are, and you don't want to draw a tree diagram, or it's impossible to draw a tree diagram, I'm going to show you a shortcut. Okay? So let's read this problem. You go to the cafeteria for lunch and have a choice of 4 entrees, 5 sides, 5 drinks, and 4 desserts.
What?
Okay? Assume you have one of each category. How many different lunches can you make? So you have a choice of hamburgers, hot dog, pizza, and mac and cheese. And then for your sides, you have French fries, apples, carrots,
Salad.
grapes,
What would they give us? Oh, the little Scooby snacks.
oranges.
Oh.
Alright? And then for drinks, then you have 5 drinks to choose from. And then dessert, you have 4 to choose from.
Wow.
So, imagine,
What type of school is this?
seriously, right?
Is this a rich school?
Yeah,
Private
school.
school.
Look at
Private
desserts here.
So,
Cookies.
okay, so if I have 4, I would start off with 4 branches. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then what's my second one? 5 sides. So each branch would have how many 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1,
That's
2,
a lot.
3, 4,
It is
5.
a- it is a
Right?
lot.
5, 5. And then I have 5 drinks. So what does that mean? Each of
Five
these
more.
branches would have
Oh
5,
Oh.
and then all of these branches would then have
Four extra.
Four.
Oh, yeah, I mean, some of them-
1, 2, 3,
Nah,
4.
I'll just drop out.
So do I really want to draw this type of? No. This would be like
I dropped my pencil too.
I need like a butcher paper. It would cover my whole table.
Good thing this where our teachers Miss Lomani shall teach us how to fix it.
I will teach you how to do it without drawing the tree diagram. So this is only if they ask you total outcomes. Now if they tell you what's the probability of ordering mac and cheese with hot dog and oranges, then you got to do the tree diagram.
No.
But if they go like, hey, how many combinations, how many outcomes are there?
Like around 30.
Okay, equals. Here is the shortcut. You are going to multiply the different number of items. So for example, how many different items do I have in my first choice? 4
5 over 4.
times. How many combinations in my second one? 5 times. How many combinations in my third choice? 5. And how many combinations in my last one? 4.
4 times 5, 20. 20 times 5, 100. 100 times 4, 400. Oh, that's a lot.
Oh my, bro, that's wrong. So Miss, here, according to my calculation, 4 times 5.
Oh.
Hey, no, I got this. Miss, I got this. 4 times 5, that's 20.
400.
20 times 5, that's 100. Times 4, yes, it's 400.
Wow, Oscar. I'm so glad you told us. I would have never known.
I said 4 times.
That's nearly what I said.
Cooking.
So, 400 outcomes.
That's
400 different options for lunch. Imagine drawing this and you end up with 400 little tiny branches.
Oh, I would low-key start crying.
Seriously. This is like, if you ever wonder what I do for detention, this is the assignment.
No. Never.
Yeah, I'm not coming to the country.
Alright. Can you imagine drawing 400, Mel? Yes.
Yeah, I would cry. I never come.
Every single day you have